Hello everyone, DSM admin here. Today I want to talk about how to grow your small account. So if you want to contact me, you can go to DSM at dailystockmoney.com, send me an email, or dailystockmoney.ecofin.com and join our group for free. So let's get into the topic that we are going to talk about, how to grow a small account. So, what is the small account? In my definition, a small account is accounts less than $25,000. And the reason for that is when you have less than $25,000 in your account, because of the PDT rule, you cannot trade as many times as you want during the trading day. You have 3-day trades in 5 business days, which means you can buy a stock and sell a stock at the same day just 3 times in 5 business days. So, and if you don't follow that, you get 90 days penalty and you cannot trade. So, in order to grow your small account, you need 3 things: set your goal, set your rules, and choose the best strategies you can follow. So the main goal for those who have a small accounts is just to pass the PDT rule and get to the place that you can trade as many times as you want, because opportunities happens every day, every time, and if you get a stock with PDT rule, you just see a nice setup but you cannot trade it. So that doesn't help, and in the long run you cannot profit the most out of this incredible market. So the main rules you have to follow when you have a small accounts is cut losses quickly. You cannot afford big losses because you need to stay in the game. So don't go all in and don't go for home run. This is the second main thing I suggest for small accounts. And always try to take 10 to 15% profit. You should not wait and say, okay, I want to take 30%, 50% profit and grow my account very quick, rapidly. So it's not gonna happen. Always take 10, 15%, 20% profit, because usually stocks after 10 to 20% run, they go for correction. And if you have a small account, you need to take that profit and wait for the next opportunity to invest your principal plus that profit into the next opportunity. So don't waste your time. Always take 10 to 15% profit and then sit back, wait for the next opportunity. So because we decided to have this small account challenge in our chat room, I started actually I opened a small account with $5,000 last no, not last week, 2 weeks ago, October 16th. Today is October 28th. I funded this account with $5,000 in October 16th, and here is my trades. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades in past 2 weeks with this small account, and cut losses in 2 of them. So it's a good percentage successful trade rate. I made 1,300 in 2 weeks, $114 loss, and 26% gain, total gain with $5,000 account in 2 weeks. So in order to have trades like this, especially if you know in past 2 weeks we had a very bad market. SPY was crashing in past 2 weeks. DIA, the overall market was red and everybody was scared about the market. But if you see this trades, you see you can still make money if you know what you are doing. So the main purpose of this video is to just give you some hint and tips, but the main procedure for how to grow in a small account would be shared in Daily Stock Money chat room for those who take advantage of this opportunity to join our group. We just can go to dailystockmoney.com and take advantage of this deal, $79 per month, before we increase the price, because we are going to launch this a small account challenge and a couple of other services, and the price will go higher. But you see, even in this market, if you follow the procedure, you can make a lot of money. So these are a couple of concepts I think that would help you. One of them, as I said, cut losses quickly. You cannot afford big losses because you need to stay in the game. And take singles. Don't go for home run, because home run, if you started trading today, probably you are still thinking home runs are good. You take one trade and you make a lot of money. But if you are in this business for even for 1 year, you know the chance for hitting a home run is very low. So if you have a small account and you couldn't grow your small account in past few months or past few years, there are problems with your methodology and you have to change your trading system. So take 10 to 15% profit every time you see 10 to 15% setup. Go for it. If you see 10%, 15% profit in your account, take it. Don't waste your time. Take the profit and wait for the next opportunity. Don't chase morning and afternoon hypes or pumps by Furus, because these people, if you are in their chat room, you see these people, they just pump the stocks. They are going to force their followers to buy a specific stock without any logical reasons, no plan. The Furu, he bought the stock when the price was cheap, and then he alerts in their chat room, and thousands and thousands of people, they start to chase it, and he starts to sell to those chasers. And if you were part of these groups or you had experience with this type of people, you know you are not gonna make a lot of money by this strategy, by following these people, by I would say being part of their teaching system or buying their DVD. They don't teach you anything. And the fact that you didn't grow your small account is a proof that these guys are not gonna help you, and you are not gonna even make that $25,000 with your small account to pass PDT rule, even after 10 months or years, or doesn't matter. It doesn't help you. It's never gonna happen. So don't chase their at the open or afternoon they start to pump specific stocks because they want to make profit out of their followers. So that's not a good strategy, specifically when you have 3 trades in 5 days. So don't waste that opportunity. Another thing is focus on 3 best setups and don't trade pre-market after hour. When you see something is running pre-market or after hour, they start to alert these Furus or some people in Twitter, they start to talk about specific stocks. So most of the time, I would say 80% of the time, it's not gonna work because pre-market and after hour the volume is so low, and if you have a small account, it's very um, unlikely that you can take a good setup and make a lot of money, and it's just waste of your day trading opportunity, and usually it's not a long time good strategy to grow your account. If you are experienced enough, sometimes it's very unlikely, but sometimes it happens. You see a good setup and you know the history of the company or and you take that trade in pre-market after hour. That works, but most of the time it doesn't work. And I would share specific strategies for a small account in our chat room for our members. This is basically based on my experience. I would tell them exactly what are the best setups and why they are the best setups for small accounts, and people can make a lot of money. But specifically for small accounts, they are the best strategies to follow. So I hope this video helped you to see how you can grow your small account, and uh, how you have to look at your trades and uh, not following these furus out there. So hope we could help you, and if you want to join our group, you can go to Daily Stock Money at ecofin.co and just sign in for free. It's dailystockmoney.ecofin.co, and you can just sign up for free and join our free chat room. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you everybody in the chat room very soon. Have a good one. Bye.